Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with the May 25th, 2022 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. Dubuque and some other counties in Iowa have moved from a community level of low to medium for COVID-19. That means greater impact on our hospitals and severity of illness in the community. This is not good news. We've been having increasing number of COVID-19 cases since the first part of April, and things are not slowing down. In the last 7 days, 130 new cases were reported, and these are only the ones being tested in healthcare facilities. These do not include home tests or people who have COVID and avoid or don't think they need testing. So the number is far more cases than 130. Many of these cases are in unvaccinated people, and some in those who are fully vaccinated and boosted, proving that immunity to COVID, whether it be from infection or illness or vaccine-induced immunity, wanes or decreases over time. The reported cases are all the Omicron variant with the subvariants BA2 and BA2.12.1. A medium community level also means if you are at high risk for severe illness, talk to your healthcare provider about whether you need to wear a mask and take other precautions. Of course, stay up to date with COVID-19 vaccines and get tested if you have symptoms. Speaking of testing, you can now order more free home test kits online. It's great to have these on hand for if you develop symptoms. I even recommend packing a couple if you're traveling. The waning or decreasing immunity I just mentioned can be improved by getting a booster shot. If you're over 50 or 5 years of age and older or have immunocompromising conditions, don't wait any longer to get your booster. If you're not sure when to get your booster, CDC has an easy online tool to walk you through the timing. Depending on your age, the vaccine you previously received, and whether you've already had one booster, factors into the timing. Your healthcare provider or vaccine clinic can also help sort out when you're eligible for a booster. Boosters help prevent ongoing spread of transmission, which in turn decreases the opportunities for variants to develop. We know variants have caused increased cases and waves in the past, so we certainly don't want to live through another one of those, and we're still living through one right now. Another reason to get vaccinated and boosted is to avoid long COVID or effects from having COVID that can be long-lasting. Yesterday, the CDC released a study that showed 1 in 5 adults have a health condition that might be related to their previous COVID-19 illness, such as kidney failure, cardiovascular, respiratory, bone, and joint conditions, along with neurological and mental health problems, and blood clot issues. Besides boosters, it's not too late to get your first COVID-19 vaccination, which we know is safe and highly effective at preventing severe illness and death. Think about this now that the U.S. has surpassed 1 million COVID-19 deaths since March 2020. Dubuque County has experienced 298 deaths, with 4 being reported during the month of May. And they are not all old people. So we're approaching our 3rd pandemic Memorial Weekend. You know all the risks of gathering in groups, and events outdoors are safer than indoor gatherings, parties and celebrations for graduations and weddings, etc. One of the most important things you can do is not attend events and gatherings if you're sick, especially with any COVID-19 symptoms. Also, encourage your guests only to attend if they're healthy and free of illness, and preferably if they're vaccinated. And finally, to the 2022 graduating high school or college seniors, hats off to you all. The pandemic class that experienced virtual and hybrid learning, modified everything, cancellations too many to name, and learned more that could never be taught, but only experienced. You've survived it all. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Be healthy, stay safe, and think summer.